internet! Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you, and I really love this theme. If you guys know, dolphins are actually my favorite animal, and then cats after that. Cats or penguins, they kind of take a tie place in second, but dolphins have always been my favorite, and I've always been very into like ocean. That's why my favorite color is blue. I really love like sea life, this sort of serene feel of the ocean. So I was really excited when I saw this because I feel like the aesthetics are very appealing to my taste, and I cannot wait to unbox it. So let's get started. So we have the washi tape, 5 washi tape. I'm going to put those aside, and then we've got the card, which I'll put aside. And then first up, ooh, okay, so we've got some cardstock. I think these are stickers, I'm not really sure, but they're kind of like individual cutouts, which are gold foiled of like clams and stuff like that. Then we have a post-it note. This looks so nice, guys. I don't know if it's actually showing up on camera. I know it doesn't, but it kind of feels like it has an iridescent feel to the shell itself, but it definitely doesn't. It's all matte. But I think because of the way the colors are, it kind of feels like that, and it's gold foiling around. This is like one of the prettiest sticky notes I've ever seen. Like, I don't know how I'm going to use this because it's just way too pretty. So definitely want to save that. Oh, I'm loving everything in this kit already. Oh, and we have like the little notebook. I love the colors. I'm just like obsessed with this particular month. It's so nice. And this is blank paper. Okay, so this is blank. So cute. Sorry, I'm gonna sound like a broken record. I just know it because this is just, the aesthetic is just amazing. It's just so perfect. Okay, that's everything in the box. So we have a pen, a gold pen with a pearl on it. That is so perfect. Probably not a pen I would use, although I'm not really sure if this is gel or not. I'll test this out at the end. I usually don't test the pens that come with Simply Gilded because I feel like they're much more generic pens, but I will test this one because I think it looks really nice. Then we have some cardstock with a quote on it. I want to visit the ocean, sea, salt, and sun sparkling. The healing waters and serene songs are like medicine for my soul. I have no idea if that's just made up or that's she's taken it from somewhere, but that's really nice. Then we have some stickers of the same shell design. And then we have the planning stickers again. So we've got your labels, your check boxes, and some clip art. Oh, I'm not even going to open this one because I don't want to accidentally damage it because I want to open it when I plan to use it. Oh, so that's everything. How everything just looks really nice together. Sorry guys, I sound really like a broken record right now, but it just looks so nice. So I'm going to open the washi tape and then we'll have a look at that. Okay, so here are the washies. They're so nice. I feel like the color is a little different from the color scheme or the color theme of the whole kit, but it's still beautiful. You've got your bows. We've got the fish scale pattern. I like this one probably the best. It's kind of like coral with fish and little bits of foiling scattered throughout it. And then we have some bows with some quotes, and then a thinner version of this, but like with bows as well. So nice. Love it. Love the stack of washi. And yeah, let's go test out this pen. Okay, I will say the thing that I really love about these pens that are coming with the Simply Gilded boxes is that they're gels, so that the ink just feels a lot more even when it flows out. But I really actually like this pen. I just kind of wish it was a little bit more like ergonomically friendly. I always feel like having things at the top like this is super cute, really cute, but they're not good long-term pens. Like for me, I much prefer just like boring old pens like this. Yeah, they look boring, but they're so much more comfortable to use, and I don't know, I'm just really more about the comfort when it comes to actually using pens. So beautiful pen, but not the most comfortable to use. And that is everything in this month's Simply Gilded. This is June's box for those of you who are curious. I'm usually always a month behind just because I live in Australia, so it takes a while for the boxes to arrive. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.